Hello guys, how to make a decorative LEDs or light emitting diodes. First of all, you need an IC of the given value. Then you solder pin 4 to pin 6, 4 to 8, pin 1 positive to pin 2, pin 8, pin 7, pin 6 to pin 7. Then another IC you get it of given value pin 8 to pin 13, pin 15 to pin 13. That is IC 4017. Then we get 555 where you connect it to pin 14, 555 pin 16. Then the blue thing is an LED light emitting diode. You connect them in a parallel way. The LEDs will be at least of different colors to ensure that the system is so decorative, and they are trimmed to ensure they doesn't hang and avoid short-circuiting issues. Then we use a copper wire. The copper wire then we solder to make it so efficient. The system should be made efficient. In case the video seems to be so fast, guys, you can just slow motion it using the YouTube control. After that, we get a portable small battery that can be rotated by the DC motor. That is a 5 voltage direct current motor, a gear, that is a stick glue, and a small battery, a Bluetooth battery that is too small that can be rotated. The capacitor, resistor, I think the value are given in the description. So guys, you pin the LEDs to the IC 4017 IC as indicated on your phone or your given respective device. So guys, after there you need now to give the LEDs the current or the EMF, that is battery plus and battery minus. As you see, that is how they will start lighting. And now we need to give the motor voltage. We give it 5 voltage. You see how it rotates. So decorative the system is. Keep entertained. Still Tech is live. Austine Tech, welcome. Keep in touch. If not subscribed, then share, like.